Ensure that the ATGM vehicle has been bore-sighted and is positioned on relatively flat and level terrain. Ensure vehicle aux power is on and that all cable connections to the detector belts and to the VCU are secure. From the MyTask main menu, perform an automatic bore sight of the MyTask to ensure that the day sight, night sight, and laser range finder are all properly aligned. The bore sight panel is an optical alignment tool that may be used for aligning the STS Miles laser with day sight crosshairs of the MyTask. The panel is intended for close range bore sighting, 40 to 100 meters, and compensates for the offset between the Miles optics and the MyTask optics. This alignment method should only be used to establish an initial bore sight when a long-range bore sight, 1200 to 2000 meters, is not available. Select a target approximately 2000 meters away. A good target is something that has an easily identifiable feature to use as an aiming point. Ensure that the MyTask is set for day sight narrow field of view. Using the gunner's hand station, lay the day sight reticle so that it is aligned with the selected target. The tow laser device, or TLD, contains sighting knobs and locking knobs for azimuth and elevation adjustment. Loosen the azimuth and elevation locking knobs on the TLD. Adjust the azimuth and elevation knobs on the TLD to move the scope reticle so that it is aligned on the same point on the selected target. Verify the MyTask reticle is still properly aligned to the selected target. Verify the TLD scope is still aligned on the same point on the selected target. Adjust the TLD as necessary to recenter. Carefully tighten the azimuth and elevation locking knobs on the TLD. If the TLD target scope moves off of target center, loosen the locking knobs and readjust the azimuth and elevation as necessary to achieve proper alignment when the locking knobs are secure. To confirm bore sight, the Miles 21 system can be placed into dry fire mode. Dry fire mode allows the STS to be fired repeatedly up to 230 missile shots without requiring the use of the M22 ATWES cartridges. To enable dry fire mode, ensure the Miles 21 system is powered on and correctly configured as an ATGM. Next, ensure the MyTask is powered on and the missile umbilicals are not inserted, and the launching equip switch on the gunner's panel assembly is in the safe abort position. Use a Universal Controller Device, or UCD, to fire the control on command at any detector belt. The Vehicle Display Assembly VDA will beep and display the following message: Admin Functions. Using the up-down scroll buttons on the VDA, scroll to the following display. Select to choose fire mode. Press Select. The VDA will show the following display. Select confirms dry fire mode. Press Select to confirm the change to dry fire mode. Dry fire mode will be enabled, the VDA will beep to indicate the change, and will show the following display. Select to choose fire mode. Using the up-down scroll buttons on the VDA, scroll to Admin Functions, select to exit, and press Select. From the VDA main menu, scroll to the Weapon menu and select Tow. If the dry indication is not present, then the system is still in blank fire mode and will not fire without loading ATWES cartridges. Place a Miles-equipped vehicle or target at least 1,500 meters away. Check target vehicle with controller gun to ensure Miles instrumentation is operating. Engage the target vehicle with the STS. If CVKI flashes more than 4 times continuously, reset or resurrect the target vehicle. If CVKI does not flash, refer to troubleshooting procedures. After confirming bore sight, the Miles 21 system must be returned to blank fire mode. Repeat the same procedures to place the system back into blank fire mode. This concludes the Align section for Miles 21 on the Stryker vehicle.